This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Stephen.stockton. Enjoy a quiet country setting in this brick-sided rancher that sits on close to an acre of level land. The 2 storage sheds and swing set to convey. The roof was replaced only 2 months ago. The inside of the home features 3 spacious bedrooms and an additional den. The refrigerator and the coal/log burner also convey. Property is being sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephen.stockton at 865-687-1111.